Whether you're replacing your console components or converting to a floor shifter, a common part you're going to need is the console shift slider. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1964 through 72 Chevelle and El Camino and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo floor shift sliders. This product has been officially licensed by General Motors. The GM Restoration Parts emblem represents the most authentic and accurate parts for your restoration available in the industry. The sliders function as a cover to your shifter to prevent things from falling in, as well as keeping a clean look. Each slider is manufactured from injection molded plastic and then machine stamped for an accurate fit. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.